Nice. Hey, ride it down. You right, Paul? Yeah, boy. Oh, ride it down.
Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do
Woo!
you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake?
Perfect.
Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the
Okay, before we go into this week's upload, I've been nominated to do a mountain bike upgrade by Chris from the Burt Guzzlers. I'll put a link into his upgrade in the comments below. So my upgrade is that most of you know that I had for a long time a 2015 Norco Sight A2. And as you can see, the old 2015 Norco is now relegated to be a smart trainer, as you can see down there. So the best thing for an upgrade on an old bike is a new one, the 2021 Norco Sight A2. And even better is to get a second bike. Even though it's second hand, it's new to me. You would have seen this potentially on my last upload at Green Valleys. It's a Scott Gambler. Bought it second hand from a friend, and yeah, it goes well. And finally, I bought a dirt jumper as well. Once again, second hand from another mate. It's a Norco Ride 26 2016. What's better than one old bike is one new bike and two second-hand bikes. So there's my upgrade. As I said earlier, Chris from the Burt Guzzlers in the UK nominated me, so I've got to now nominate 3 people. The first person is Jason from RMBL, Riding My Best Life. He's over in St. George, Utah. The second person I'd like to nominate is Jesse from MTB up in southeast Queensland. And the third one is Mick up in the northern parts of Queensland from Mick and Cranny's Adventures. Alright boys, let's see how you go with that, and yeah, see you on the trails. Welcome back to DMMTB. I'm down at Mt Keira and I've joined up with the Splinter Cell group. So we're doing shuttles. So yeah, there we go. So we'll be doing a few different trails as well as the ones I did last time. So yeah, all right, see you on the trails. Okay, doing a bit of a climb to start CBD. Alright, got a jump line here, starting off with this hip there. Yeah, nice. Whee! That's it, beautiful, nice. Alright, we're on a trail called Itchy and Scratchy.
Is that roll around here?
Easy peasy. Whoa.
Come on, Paulie. Got it.
Yeah, Paul. Woo! Ride it down!
All good? This is a bad idea, and my bike just went. I sort of just stepped off. Look at the state of it. Stepped off and just went. Oh!
Oh, really? You hit the helmet?
Yeah, it was all helmet. So
Did you eat the deck?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I've showed a little bit of CBD and Itchy and Scratchy, and now we're about to drop into Frenchies. But let's just fast forward to the fun stuff a bit further down the mountain.
Oh, foggy glasses.
Following Pascal. What happened? Last time I was here, I kept bypassing this jump called Barrel. So I wanted to session it and conquer it. Yeah. At least there's a bit of a case pad.
Yeah, okay, so.
Alright, sessioning Barrel. Following Pascal in. Oh.
That's your time off there.
Okay. Alright, so I'm not too far off. And I'm a little.
If you went here, would have been. That's what I'm ending.
Yeah.
Pedals? 2 pedals?
Yeah.
No, I don't even reckon a pedal.
Okay, the first attempt was a bit of a case and a bit too far left. So I'm going again. Drop in! Here we go. Barrel. I was still on the left, but I think I got a bit further, yeah? Yeah? Sweet.
Yeah, perfect. Nice. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful dog. Hey, hello, gorgeous.
This is Zorro. He loves running with bikes.
At this point, my GoPro battery had gone flat and my spares were in the shuttle vehicle. So we jump over to Ray Cam for the next minute or so. See that? It wasn't, no. That's new.
What's that?
See the picture?
Oh,
there's a
old
rocket
man's.
frame attached to it.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay. Alright, congestion.
Yeah.
No, yeah, no. Oh, yeah, no. Poor Dave. Definitely wasn't even going to do that. Not with the wet timber, it's too slippery.
Ray had carried on down the trail on his own. We eventually found him. Listen out for a thud noise and something hitting a tree.
Oh! Write it down. You're right.
You're right.
Ooh.
Yeah, I just lost my balance.
Where'd you go? On the rock. Out of everywhere? Yeah.
Yeah.
On the rock.
Wow.
Hey, turn it on.
I was.
You got it on GoPro? Nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, Barrel. Oh, I cased it again.
You go?
Yeah.
Go again?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, that's better. Phew. Oh, bit nose heavy. Yeah. Oh, are we going this way? Oh, okay. I'm not sure that I have either. Oy.
Oh, we almost cleaned up.
Oh, fuck. Stop, guys.
Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Lyle almost fucked himself on it, eh? Did he? It was close, man. We just ducked under it.
Alright, we've cleared the tree. Oh yeah, I think I have done this one. Oh! This is a big drop.
Doesn't look that big.
Not going to do
Don't
it.
feel that big when we've done it. But forget how long it is.
I might even like go.
This one's alright.
Is it?
As long as you clear that rocky fine.
It's nice coast over it.
I decided not to do the beeline drop either, due to the slippery clay landing and the slight deviation as you land. Nah. Right, here comes Triston. Phew! I kept calling this little shredder Torben, but it's actually Coben. Sorry, my bad. Oh, that was the best one I hit there. Yes. Woo! Hey! Told you were a pinner. You get a flat? Yeah. Right, her off. I'm coming, Paul. Whew, Jesus. Butt puckering. Watch Paul's back tyre. Hey, ride it down. You right, Paul? Woo! Yeah, boy. Here comes Nathan. Yeah, boy. Woo! Yeah, boy. Oh, here comes the train. Woo! Yeah, boy. Yeah! Well done, buddy. Yeah, boy. Way! Bit wide on that one. It's good. Well, that wraps up a good morning session at Mt Keira. Doing shuttles with the Splinter Cell crew, and we've had a good day. Yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Hit that there. And don't hit Paul. I'll do that when I finish this video. And you can watch my last video up there. All right, see you on the trails.
See you on the trails.